When I walk into my room, all I see is this hideous pile of junk. This huge IKEA eyesore has been staring at me for the past 10 years, just waiting to be upgraded. So today we're going to be turning my old IKEA desk into my dream Victorian makeup vanity. So this all began in a far off distant land called IKEA. This is the IKEA Mike or Mikey desk. It's about 50 bucks and it survived our cross-country move from Boston to San Francisco, so that's pretty good. I think now it's time for a massive upgrade. My main issue with this desk is that, or maybe it's more of an issue with me, I just have too much junk. So this is what I'm currently working with. Storage drawer here that's totally messy. The desk space up top is a little bit small. So right now I have all my makeup organized in this acrylic tower-like structure. And this drawer is stuck. Bunch of random stuff. This whole thing needs to be organized though. Here are my brushes. Then I just have a random bin, and I also keep stuff in this little desk of drawers, also from IKEA. This thing's great for an office or something. I'm afraid to open some of these. Measuring tape, bangle, lip products. So first things first, let's clean up my old desk. Alright, now here's what we're left with. I'm actually shocked that all of this fit in that tiny little desk. So yes, I'm going to be getting rid of hopefully more than half of these things. Old expired makeup and just things I don't need anymore. It's all going. So here's the desk I found. I originally was looking at roll top desks or secretaries because I really wanted something where I could just shut the door at the end of the day and hide whatever mess was on the inside. But in the end, I thought I wanted even more vertical storage than that. Because I've got some large hairspray bottles and those aren't going to hide themselves. And most importantly, I wanted something made out of wood and something antique. I just wanted to imagine myself as Jane from Pride and Prejudice sitting at her makeup desk with Lizzie behind her and they're doing their hair or something. That's the exact vibe that I was trying to go for. I absolutely love this rich cinnamon color of the wood. It's teak wood. It's from the late Victorian era. I'm no furniture expert, but the seller did say that it's from the 1880s. Now I made sure to double check, triple check all the dimensions to make sure it was going to fit in my space and that the height of all the shelves was going to accommodate the items I wanted to store inside. So I don't really know the history of this piece, but it looks like it might have or came from India, or at least was imported to India. And there's a really cool subreddit called, I forgot the name, but I'll put it right here. I took a screenshot of the inscription, and I had no idea what language it's in, but it happens to be in Gujarati, according to some really nice person who translated this for me. And the inscription reads, so that's really neat. I wish I knew more about the backstory of this piece, but the mystery is almost as good. So it's also got beautiful porcelain knobs. I assume they're all original, but I guess there's no way to know. and it's got these really nice seashell-like pulls. When it first arrived, right after I said, "Oh my gosh, this is perfect," the first thing I noticed was the smell. You know when you go to India and you go to your auntie's house and it's got this amazing like wood Indian smell? It's really hard to describe, but it just smells like old Indian wood. It smelled exactly like this, so this made me feel really comforted and right at home. Okay, so it was also clear that this desk had been sitting in storage for who knows how long, because it was caked in dust, thick black dust. So let's get cleaning. After cleaning this thing, I probably should have worn a mask, but I was just sneezing and my eyes were watering, my nose was running like the rest of the day. Okay, woo! Okay, now that my precious desk is all cleaned up, I'm gonna start organizing my makeup. Now, what I did was I put everything in a place where I thought would be good, and then over the next few days, as I was just testing things out and seeing where I liked things, I ended up moving some things around, and it's kind of a work in progress, but here's how I have it set up right now. So in this top drawer, I've got all my eyeshadow palettes. See how few I have? I've only got like 3 or 4 now. I pretty much only use one, but the other ones I just couldn't part with. So sue me. The next drawer down are my eyeliners and my mascaras. After that, we've got all my face powders, so bronzer, blush, other random powder. This drawer is actually a little bit too full. I should probably get rid of some of this stuff, but I think I did a good first pass for now. Now, check out this huge double door situation. Look how nice this is going to be at the end of the day. Just shut it all and just hide everything. It's going to be amazing. When I walk into the bedroom, I'm not going to see anything laying out, and that's the whole reason why I wanted to do this project and why I picked this desk. And down here are my foundations. I do have a lot of foundations because my skin tone is like always changing throughout the year, so I'm always a different color. So I always need at least like 3 options of different formulations depending on my skin and the time of year and what color my face is. So that's what I'm gonna say. That's my explanation, and I'm sticking with that. Then on the right top drawer, I have I think it's all my eyebrow stuff and other random things. Here's the middle drawer, and then the bottom drawer I'm just keeping like buttons and extra pieces of my clothing. I don't know why, but okay, now for the left side drawer here, you pull it out and it's all my hair things, so my scrunchies, my bobby pins, my hairbrush, and some scissors. And the right drawer has my lipstick, my lip gloss, and my hot tools. And then I haven't found a good solution for where to put my hair dryer. Such a big item. I don't keep it in the bathroom because I still like to do my hair at my desk. So for now, it's just in a garbage bin under my desk. Now I'll show some nice footage of me enjoying the desk, decorating the desk, and and I'll show you how it's fulfilling all of my Pride and Prejudice vanity makeup desk fantasies. So there you have it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this transformation, and please subscribe if you'd like to stick around and see what else I've got coming up. Have a great day. Goodbye!